In this video, I'm going to share with you 2 Google ad campaigns to implement in your marketing strategy in 2019. Google has spent a lot of time and money investing in artificial intelligence over the last several years. You, as a business owner, can start leveraging this investment with your data in Google Analytics. The first Google ad campaign you're gonna do this with is remarketing. So remarketing is the process of targeting website visitors who have previously been to your website with ads. So it's a very granular approach. You're only serving up ads to consumers who have visited your website. So if you haven't turned on remarketing in your Google AdWords campaign, I'd recommend separating out a complete strategy for your remarketing campaign. Again, leveraging the data that Google has spent time and money investing in over the last couple of years now allows you to get super granular with your targeting. You can even target visitors who have only visited your Contact Us page in the last 60 days, not your whole website. You can target and remarket to these people who have only visited a product or service landing page on your site. The point of remarketing ads is you're not out prospecting. You're engaging with visitors who have already been on your website. So in 2019, if you haven't been doing remarketing, leverage this investment that Google has made and start leveraging your own data and target them with ads. The second Google AdWords campaign I want you to implement in 2019 is YouTube custom intent audience ads. These ads serve up and are the process of when a consumer searches, let's say, handmade leather coasters in Google, and then a day, 24 hours, 3 days later, when they're on YouTube, they're served up ads relevant to handmade leather coasters. And many of you as consumers have probably seen this, and hopefully if it is relevant to what you're searching for from a product or service standpoint, these ads are enjoyable and make you buy and invest more in goods and products and services that you like and have searched for. So with YouTube custom intent ads, you are specifically targeting visitors that are ready to buy and who have done product or service searches within Google and they're now on YouTube watching videos. So again, the second Google ad campaign to implement in 2019 are the YouTube custom intent audience ads.